Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I completely forgot that I even had this coming. We're gonna be filming the Allure beauty box of August 2020. Legit forgot that this existed, so let's dive into it. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, Allure Beauty is a $15 a month beauty subscription service where you get 5 to 7 products in here. 2 of them are guaranteed to be full size, though I have literally gotten like 4 full size products in here, and I think that is so freaking cool. However, there's now a new twist. Starting in October, they're raising the price of this box to be $23. You're still gonna get 5 to 7 items in here, but 3 of them are now guaranteed to be full size, and it's gonna be a mix of like hair care, skin care, nail care, body care, and makeup. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep this subscription service. I really do like Allure Beauty. I first signed up back, I think it was like in December, and the whole box is like ABH themed. I thought that was so freaking cool, and it had some great makeup in it, but as of lately, there's just been so much skincare, and I'm really tired of getting skincare. I have more skincare than anybody could ever possibly need or want in their lifetime, and I'm just kind of over having it in my collection. I signed up for these beauty boxes specifically to get makeup, and they have not been delivering. And since they're now going to up their price to be $23 a month, that's like BoxyCharm and Ipsy status, and those products in there are about 5 to 7 full-size items. So we're still going to be paying $25 to get sample size items with 3 guaranteed full-size, when in reality, I was paying $15 to get 2 to 3 full size still, and that was a great bargain. So I think September might be my very last box. Not to mention, it is now August 23rd, which I know that by the time you guys see this, I think it'll be like the 25th. But I just got this box. I literally had forgotten about it. Normally I get my Allure pretty early on in the month, and this one came super late. Don't know why, it is what it is, but I'm like, damn, I totally forgot this existed. I actually did get my Birchbox, but I threw all those items to my No Waste Wednesday for August because I don't want to have Birchbox anymore, but I'm stuck on a 6-month contract, so there's that. But let me go ahead and stop rambling. We're just going to dive right on into this. So as always, they do put a little pamphlet in here. They talk about the products that you do get in your box, what the full size of the product would be, and how it works for the person. I really wish that they would actually curate the box for the person that is paying for it. If you do the surveys and stuff, instead they just really just curate what they think is the best beauty products and how it works for them. They don't even describe what the product is and like how it works. They just say, this is what it does for my skin. I'm like, okay, but like, what is it going to do like as a whole? What is the product? And so that's the thing I say that every video, but yeah, that's my complaint against them. But the first item I see in here is from Floss, and it is a Brighten Up highlighter / illuminator. It is in the shade Sunlit, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this. Every time I've gotten any of the Floss products, they've always been full-size lip products, but this is the product right here. It's actually kind of cute, not gonna lie. Okay, so I can't get this open. So this is the product right here. I'm assuming this is full-size. They tend to put full-size Floss products in here. It says it retails for $20. That is quite expensive. This is full size. I would never pay full size $20 for this tiny little highlighter. Just would not do it. But I could just tell you right now, I have so much highlighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I'm not really the biggest like highlight like fiend. Is that the right term? I love like Jackson highlights. I have those for days. I will be like, bitch, mine. But like everything else, I'm kind of like, I'll put my No Waste Wednesday. All right, next we have this Wish. This is Botanical Primer with skin balancing, reduces environmental stresses. It's paraben free, sulfur free, phthalate free, D and T free, parachemical free, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny certified. Suffering from dry skin and huge pores left from drying makeup, this natural botanical primer not only minimizes pores and even skin tone, you'll be left looking radiant, moisturized, and ready for the day ahead. So it balances the skin, it protects, and it moisturizes. Okay, so I have really large pores, but I don't suffer from dry skin. I suffer from really oily skin. So this could work for me in the pore aspect and hydrating my skin and keeping me moisturized to help contain the oil. I wouldn't do anything else. Like, it would give you that radiant glow with like a dewy after effect, and I don't like anything dewy in my skin. I like really mattified products. I'm super oily. So I would try this, but I just feel like it would just go to waste. I'm gonna go ahead and add this for my No Waste Wednesday as well. Hopefully someone can get a good use out of this. Okay, we have the, I probably see how much that cost. I'm sorry, I'm so rude. That cost $44 for the full size. That's crazy. All right, so next we have this right here. This is the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Not your average cleansing bar. Our iconic cleansing bar boosts the unique therapeutic benefits of the Dead Sea Mud, a miracle of nature loaded with 26 minerals to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and balance skin. Perfect for blemished, oily, or stressed out complexions, this bar leaves skin soft, smooth, and radiant. So this retails for $38 for the full size. That is so insane. I would never pay $38 for this. Is this a body soap? Use directly after cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse ritual, or simply use the bar alone. And dampen the bar under warm water. Gently massage the wet bar over your face. Massage face and neck with fingertips. Rinse pet skin dry. Oh, pat skin dry. Jesus, I was like pet. Okay, so I mean, I guess I could try this one because it is for oily skin. So we'll give this a go. I've never used like a bar of soap on my face before. Ever. That is very, very intriguing. I hope it smells good. This is so weird. Ugh. Yo, that stinks. I guess we're gonna try this. Okay, I'm down to give anything a try, anything else with oiliness. It's just so weird to wash my face with soap. I mean, bar of soap. That's just very odd to me. All right, next we have this H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisture. So it helps to calm the appearance of redness and locks in moisture to increase hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin. Not for me. This retails for $42 for the full size, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday just because I don't want anything that's gonna give me, like I said, dewy skin. I'm all about the hydration, especially if you're really, really oily. It's very key that you actually moisturize and hydrate your skin because it helps to reduce the amount of oil that does produce, but it's also a hormone imbalance. And I just feel like no matter how much I hydrate my skin, I just do get super oily. I think it's just because I live in a very hot climate. I'm in Florida. We have the high humidity. It's really hot. I sweat here. I have oily skin. It is what it is, and I try to combat it as best as possible. So I don't want to add anything that's going to throw off the balance and make me really dewy when I just try to make myself as mattified as possible. And because I know that over time it will look really dewy as it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this for No Waste Wednesday as well. All right, next we have this product called Swahulshu. I don't know how to say this. This is First Care Activating Serum. The serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine. Feature Jamin Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that soothes, nourishes, firms for a healthy glow. So the full, this is definitely not a full size. So the full size of this would retail for $84. The fuck? I would never. That is so expensive. You can find this at Sephora. No idea how to say this. Very interesting. I wonder how tiny this little bottle looks. Oh my god, that is the cutest little thing though. Oh my god, it's so cute. You are so cute. Let's take a little. That, my friend, is what we call $15 squirt. It smells actually really fresh though. Really fresh. So it does contain hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and alpha hydroxy acid. So that is pretty good to know. But it is a skincare product. So I'll give this a try just because I just spent $15 on my hand right here. But I'll give it a try. Don't know how I feel about it, but it's always down to try something, you know? Why did I call them? It's always down. It's precious. No, I'm always down to try it. All right, next we have, it is a face mask right here, and this is $3. It's Look and Musa. I don't even know how you say this. It's also, the brilliant layering system gives the skin a brighter tone, and a Vita 3 complex for brightening mask provides the skin with clear, shining moisture. Most of it's written into a different language that I can't read, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Again, it's just more skincare that I just don't need, unfortunately, but hopefully someone gets a good use out of it. It says it's a brightening lift mask, so there's that. All right, last but not least, we have an item from Pixi. This is the Rose Oil Blends, rose and pomegranate oils for nourishing face oil. They say oil so much. I know this is the full size, and this retails for $24. Ooh, definitely has a rosy smell to it. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday just because I'm not the biggest fan of face oils, period. And the ones I do use are from Good Molecules, but they're designed for oily skin like myself and large pores. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Plus, I think I have this. I think I got this in a PR kit. I think I got this on a PR kit from Pixi, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday as well. So, what are my thoughts on the Allure Beauty Box? Y'all, I'm not a fan. I technically got one makeup product. I don't even want to call this makeup, it's skin balancing. Everything else is geared towards skincare, and this is just legit just one makeup item. And that's why I signed up for these boxes, is to get makeup. And they just literally, like the last 5 to 6 months, have just put so much skincare and everything, and not just Allure, but Birchbox, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Macy's Beauty Box, like FabFitFun, like the things that I signed up for just have so much skincare to it. And I know there's people in my comment section say they love skincare, and I am so happy that you love it. This must have been great for you the last couple months, but for someone who really just wants to get makeup, it's just very, very like, I'm tired of spending the money on it when I'm just know I'm never gonna use the products. Pretty much at this point, a lot of my subscription boxes just go straight into my No Waste Wednesday, so I'm fine with that aspect because I love doing that for you guys, but I'm just kind of like, damn, I kind of want to keep some products for myself too, you know, but I don't know if I'm going to keep Allure that much longer. I think I might try out the $23 box one time to see if it's even worth it. And if I don't like it, I'm definitely going to go ahead and cancel it. And that's 2 boxes down. Then it just really comes down to BoxyCharm and Ipsy. And I really, really, really loved my Ipsy this past month. I got all freaking makeup. It was just so exciting. I was so excited. And I do know some of the spoilers coming up for Boxy Luxe because I was contacted by BoxyCharm. So I do know some of the spoilers are going to be in there. Am I fully happy about that? There's some skincare. But you know, I do hope they put some actual like makeup products in there, which I think they are. So that's something to take note and notice of. But hopefully these companies will improve. If not, then we might have to just start cutting them off the channel. And I know it sucks because like that's like my most viewed videos is subscription boxes. But like I like doing makeup reviews. Those are like where my passion's at. So I love these too because like obviously it's part of makeup, duh. But yeah, I just I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be keeping the Allure Beauty Box. So that is it for today's video, guys. If my lighting is still off, I'm still trying to figure everything out. I filmed 2 videos in one today, so shocker. But we'll see. Hopefully it looks good on camera. If not, I'll fix it for Wednesday, which stay tuned to Wednesday, guys, because it is a huge No Waste Wednesday. I will have multiple winners because if I give that to one person, that's a lot of stuff. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day. I don't know if I post too much at this point. I don't know if I annoy you guys, but let me know in the comments below. Also head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll definitely see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Also leave skin feeling more moisturized and dewy looking. You'll be left looking radiant, moisturized. You'll be looking serum improves major ages. The serum improves major age. Oh my god. Because again, it's just more skincare that I just